4 years after a Houston man was killed when an HPD officer crashed into him, his family's fight for justice is finally going to court.
Charles Payne was driving home from church in December in 2021 when he was killed. ABC 13's Maya Shea is live at police headquarters with the story and also a warning. Some of the crash video is disturbing. Hi, Maya.
Hey there, you're right. The civil trial for this case is set to begin in federal court on Monday, and part of the case involved the speed in which the officer was driving his patrol vehicle when it crashed. And that is why we're showing you the video, because it really shows the speed of the impact, a crucial element in the case. And again, the video is disturbing. This is the video that is disturbing but crucial. Charles Payne, driving the brown car going south on Shepherd, makes a left turn and is hit by a police car being driven by then Officer Christopher Cabrera. Investigators say he was going 35 miles over the speed limit. Shortly after the crash, Payne's son spoke to us about the family's need for justice.
My father's car was destroyed, so our main concern right now is to find out, was the police officers at fault for killing my dad?
Officer Cabrera was never criminally charged, but the family filed a civil lawsuit, which alleges that the officer was driving at a dangerous speed, even though he was not responding to any emergency. Officer Cabrera was simply heading back to his station to fill out a report from booking a suspect in the Joint Processing Center in downtown Houston, but chose to go 70 miles per hour in a 35-mile-per-hour zone anyways. In their response, the city of Houston blamed the victim, even though the crash report said the officer was traveling at an unsafe speed. The ultimate cause of the plaintiff's injuries is not any policy or custom of the Houston Police Department, but Charles Payne's turning left when it was unsafe to do so and failing to yield to oncoming traffic. What is really remarkable, former federal prosecutor Eric Girard says, is that the trial and appellate courts have allowed this case to move forward.
We just don't see these cases being litigated successfully, even up until the point of trial. To survive a motion to dismiss and a motion for summary judgment is a real feat unto itself.
Girard says cities and officers who work for them generally have sovereign immunity, meaning they can't be sued. The fact that this case is going to trial on Monday means that the courts believe Payne's family should have a chance to prove their case.
Fifth Circuit and the trial court at some level here is just saying that if you're not engaged in an emergency, high-speed chase or responding to a 911, then we have a right as the public to expect some degree of reasonableness in your behavior.
Now, we did ask the city of Houston for a comment on this case. They said because of the pending trial, they cannot comment. And again, the trial starts on Monday in federal court. We're live downtown. Maya Shea, ABC 13, Eyewitness News.